English quiz for kids. What comes after the number 5? Six. Fill in the blanks. Apple. A. P. P. L. E. Apple. What color is the sky during the day? Blue. The sky is blue during the day. Which animal barks? Dog. Fill in the blanks. Flower. F. L. O. W. E. R. Flower. What is 3 plus 4? Seven. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. What is the third letter of the alphabet? C. Which animal says quack? Duck. The duck says quack. Quack. What do we call the time before noon? AM. How many sides does a triangle have? Three. A triangle has 3 sides. What do plants need to grow? Water. Plants need water to grow. What is the capital of the letter T? T. Which fruit is red and has tiny seeds on the outside? Strawberry. Which insect makes honey? Bee. Bees make the sweet honey. Fill in the blanks. Lion. L. I. O. N. Lion. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. The opposite of hot is cold. What color do you get when you mix red and yellow? orange. Red plus yellow equals orange. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. How many wheels does a bicycle have? Two. Which shape has no corners? Circle. A circle has no corners. What is the name of the planet we live on? Earth. We live on Earth. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin. A penguin cannot fly. Fill in the blanks. Selfish. S. E. L. F. I. S. H. Selfish. What do we call the day after today? Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day after today. See you tomorrow. How many did you get right? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting quizzes and learning adventures.